Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a tactical macro analysis of Foxy AI, exploring whether this hyper-targeted visual generator is the ultimate secret weapon for modern lifestyle influencers and digital marketers, or if it simply pushes low-quality artificial slop behind a steep commercial paywall. While standard open-source rendering platforms like Midjourney force you to master incredibly dense, complex textual prompt strings to achieve artistic concepts, Foxy AI differentiates its ecosystem by engineering a highly streamlined, mobile-first studio completely focused on continuous likeness consistency and rapid social-ready influencer asset production. The primary operational triumph of this platform lies within its specialized facial and physical body modeling engine, which allows solo content creators to upload a brief series of initial reference selfies, lock in their exact facial architecture and natural physical proportions, and seamlessly project their likeness across hundreds of pre-made aesthetic templates. The system excels at instantaneously generating high-end studio portraits, trending vintage school yearbook aesthetics, dynamic athletic poses, and aspirational luxury travel photography, allowing you to effectively map out a highly varied, scroll-stopping social media grid from the absolute comfort of your own living room without booking expensive physical studios, coordinating with professional photographers, or managing complex wardrobe logistics. However, scaling your creative output using this automated factory requires a cold, highly realistic look at notable technical boundaries and aggressive billing mechanics that frequently draw heavy user frustration across community forums. Independent performance testing reveals that the platform's generative accuracy remains highly volatile, with roughly 1 out of every 5 rendered images exhibiting typical artificial intelligence defects like mangled hand geometry, unnatural background distortions, or flat facial expressions that must be immediately discarded. Furthermore, while the platform's high-fidelity image training is remarkably sharp, the integrated video generation suite remains heavily unpolished, routinely outputting short, highly compressed clips with significant motion artifacts that fail to match the quality metrics required for premium short-form distribution. This operational friction is further compounded by a strict commercial framework that completely lacks a free-use trial tier, forcing you to commit to an upfront premium subscription instantly upon opening the application, where standard plans start at $29 a month for a highly restrictive credit allowance that aggressive creators can easily burn through during a single evening of batch content production. Ultimately, if you are a busy lifestyle influencer, UGC creator, or digital brand strategist who needs to rapidly scale high-volume social media engagement and maintain an active online presence without suffering from creative burnout, the immense time savings and precise character consistency offer an undeniable return on investment. But if you demand flawless first-time renderings, deep localized pixel-level editing controls, or unmetered media processing, the steep paywall and occasional generation errors will likely leave you hunting for alternative design pipelines. Weigh your specific monthly visual volume requirements, analyze how much value you place on instant location swapping over traditional photography, and leverage this automated influencer sandbox to smoothly optimize your digital brand assets today. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.